Lipids serve as fuel molecules, signal molecules, and component of membranes, hormones, and intracellular messenger. Methodology are we have acrolein test for unsaturation, emulsification, and Lieberman-Burchard test. Lipids serve numerous and diverse purposes. In the structure and function of organisms, they can be source of nutrient, storage of carbon, energy storage molecules, or structural component of membranes and hormones.
We go to acrolein test. We have 3 examples here, which is clarified butter, vegetable oil, and linseed oil. So for our observations, for clarified butter, the clarified butter has an irritating smell, which means it has the presence of fat. And for vegetable oil, this oil has an pungent irritating odor, which means this is also positive in fats. Linseed oil contains fat also because it has an acrolein smell. For unsaturation, we'll be observing the time. So for toasted sesame oil, we had 33 seconds. For extra virgin olive oil, we had 46 seconds. For groundnut oil, we had 31 seconds. For vegetable oil, we had 68 seconds. And lastly, for organic soy oil, we had 62 seconds. For emulsification and bile salt. For the description, it is yellowish in color and it formed a foamy texture near the tube. Then we have oil, water, and lecithin. It is yellow in color and also the oil has dissolved in the water.
What is an emulsifier?
Emulsifier is a compound or substance that acts as a stabilizer for emulsion, preventing liquid that ordinarily don't mix from separating.
In molecular terms, describe how emulsifiers are able to mix polar and non-polar substances together.
Emulsifiers work by forming physical barriers that keep droplets from causing. A type of surfactant emulsifier contains both a hydrophilic head group and a hydrophilic tail. Therefore, emulsifiers are attracted to both polar and non-polar compounds.
Cite in the food product that contains lecithin as are of its ingredient. Why is lecithin used in some food product?
Lecithin is a food additive that comes from several sources, one of them being soy. As generally used as an emulsifier or lubricant when added to food, but also has uses as an antioxidant and flavor protector. Like many food additives, soy lecithin is not without controversy.
Correlate the structure of lecithin with its use as an edible emulsifying.
Emulsifying agent. An emulsifying agent is a surface active ingredient which absorbs the newly formed oil-water interface during emulsion preparation, and it protects the newly formed droplets against immediate recollections.
Correlate the structure of the bile salt with their indigestion.
The function of bile salt in the duodenum is to solubilize ingested fat and fat-soluble vitamins, facilitating their digesting and absorption.